last year you were runner-up to Tsenaye, and this time around you beat her quite convincingly. What do you think happened? What did you do differently this time?
Differently. This time I wanted the match. I was training for the match, and I just wanted the match. This time. I just wanted the title.
So what technically you think you did differently this time?
I was more consistent. My backhand got better. I had to work on some mistakes I had before, and my coach helped me to become better.
This time you're runner-up. Your thoughts about what went wrong against the same opponent from last year, Keeara?
Yes, definitely. I'm happy with the game. She clearly made adjustments. So the game that she played today was very challenging for me. Last year, of course, and with time she was able to improve and get better at certain things, which I was able to take advantage of last year. So this year, I now have to go back to the drawing board and work on what I need to work on. But I'm happy and I'm impressed. I'm very proud of her because she deserves it. In sports, it's very hard to be upset at your opponent because if they're working hard at something and you're working hard at the same thing, you can clearly appreciate the effort that they're putting in. So I'm happy. I'm okay.